Have you ever felt like you're losing a woman's respect or desire? If you're looking to rekindle that spark, you're in the right place. Today, we'll uncover 5 tricks to regain a woman's respect and desire. It's not just about superficial changes, it's about genuine actions and improvements. Number 1. Focus on self-improvement. One of the most powerful ways to regain a woman's respect and desire is by focusing on self-improvement. This means investing time in yourself, whether it's developing new skills, getting in better shape, or advancing in your career. When she sees you striving to better yourself, it shows that you have ambition and drive, which are highly attractive traits. Self-improvement also boosts your confidence, making you more appealing overall. Think about areas in your life where you can make positive changes and take action. It could be picking up a new hobby, reading more, or setting personal goals and working towards them. By continuously improving yourself, you demonstrate that you value your personal growth, which in turn makes her respect and desire you more. This doesn't just benefit your relationship, it enhances your overall quality of life. Whether you're learning a new language, taking up a sport, or pursuing a professional certification, every step you take towards bettering yourself is a step towards rekindling her admiration and desire. Remember, self-improvement is a journey, not a destination. The effort you put into becoming a better version of yourself will naturally draw her back to you. Number 2. Re-establish confidence. Confidence is a key factor in regaining a woman's respect and desire. When you show confidence in your actions and decisions, it demonstrates that you are secure and capable. Confidence is not about being arrogant, it's about being sure of yourself and your abilities. Start by identifying areas where you feel less confident and work on them. Practice self-affirmation and remind yourself of your strengths and achievements. Confidence also means standing by your values and beliefs, even if it means making tough decisions. Women respect men who are decisive and can handle challenges with poise. Show her that you can lead and support her without being overbearing. By re-establishing your confidence, you not only regain her respect, but also rekindle her desire for you. Confidence is magnetic. It draws people in and makes lasting impressions. A confident man is not afraid to take the lead, make decisions, and face challenges head-on. He's someone who can be relied upon and who inspires trust. So, hold your head high and let your self-assuredness shine through. Number 3. Bring back fun and adventure. Injecting fun and adventure back into your relationship can significantly boost her desire for you. When things become routine and predictable, it's easy for the excitement to fade. Plan spontaneous outings, try new activities together, or surprise her with little adventures. This doesn't mean you have to spend a lot of money, it's more about the experiences you share. Whether it's hiking, trying a new restaurant, or even a simple picnic in the park, these moments create memories and strengthen your bond. Bringing back fun and adventure shows that you're willing to put effort into keeping the relationship exciting. It also demonstrates that you're attentive to her need for novelty and enjoyment. By being the source of new and fun experiences, you'll rekindle her interest and desire, making her look forward to the times you spend together. Fun and adventure are not just about big gestures, but also about finding joy in everyday moments. Laugh together, be playful, and don't take everything too seriously. By creating an environment of fun and adventure, you remind her of the good times and the excitement that brought you together in the first place. This renewed energy can reignite the spark and make your relationship feel fresh and vibrant again. Number 4. Create space. Creating space can be counterintuitive, but giving her time and space to miss you is essential. When you're always around, it can lead to familiarity and complacency. By stepping back a little, you allow her to appreciate your presence more. This doesn't mean you should ignore her or be distant, but rather, balance your time together with personal time. Engage in your own hobbies and interests, and encourage her to do the same. Space also means not being overly available. Let her initiate contact sometimes, and avoid smothering her with attention. Creating space builds anticipation and gives her the opportunity to miss you, which can reignite her desire. It shows that you're confident and independent, qualities that are attractive and respectable. By maintaining a healthy balance of togetherness and personal space, you keep the relationship dynamic and exciting. Space allows for personal growth and self-reflection, which can strengthen the relationship when you come back together. It's about giving each other the freedom to grow individually while still maintaining a strong connection. Number 5, set boundaries. Setting boundaries is crucial for maintaining respect in a relationship. Clearly define what you expect and what you won't tolerate. Boundaries are about mutual respect and understanding. When you set and maintain boundaries, it shows that you value yourself and the relationship. This can be as simple as communicating your needs and expectations clearly and respectfully. If she crosses a boundary, address it calmly and firmly. Setting boundaries helps prevent misunderstandings and resentment from building up. It also creates a structure within which both partners can feel secure and respected. By setting boundaries, you demonstrate strength and integrity, which are essential for regaining respect and desire. It's about showing her that you're serious about maintaining a healthy and respectful relationship. Boundaries ensure that both partners know where they stand, fostering mutual respect and deeper connection. When you communicate your boundaries effectively, you not only protect your well-being, but also encourage her to share her own boundaries, leading to a more balanced and respectful relationship. Setting boundaries is not about being rigid or controlling. It's about creating a safe and respectful space where both partners can thrive. By respecting each other's limits and expectations, you build a foundation of trust and understanding. This mutual respect can reignite her desire and reinforce the respect she has for you, making the relationship stronger and more fulfilling. So, who do you want to be in your relationship? Someone who inspires respect and desire through self-improvement, confidence, and genuine actions. With that said, thanks for watching.